Here's my 3-step process to reducing congestion, especially in the morning, due to sinus congestion, allergies, probably environmental stress, and maybe some things I've been eating that I shouldn't be eating. So if you have this problem, follow along, and I'm going to show you some Marma points, a little lymphatic massage, and a jade roller. 3 points right here beside the nose, at the top, in the middle. So just at the top of the part where the nose comes out, and then below the nose on each side. Got a bonus one for you right here in between the eyebrows. This one's great for headache and for frontal sinus congestion. Then you're going to stroke with your hands up, out, lightly. Then you take your roller and you just stroke outwards from the nose, out towards the ear. And then you can go down towards this ductal drainage point right above the clavicle. This is a jugular point right here. And this is very relaxing and soothing. Do not press into your skin. Just roll it. Just literally lay it on your skin and roll it over. So you're going to have more, you're cooling down the effects of the manual massage, especially if you put too much pressure on your face. Don't do that. Just lightly use your fingertips and brush outward, just like that. You shouldn't be moving the skin too much. If there's too much friction, use a little facial oil, okay? And then downward. And just do maybe 3 to 5 strokes. You could do more, but don't overdo it. But this creates heat in the body, which is why I like to follow up with the last step, which is the jade roller. So enjoy. Let me know in the comments how this is working for you and what you do for your process to reduce congestion, especially when you wake up in the morning.